Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am sitting here in front of CVS. I guess, let me see. I don't know if you guys can tell. I'll turn it on. I'm sitting in front of CVS because I've been running around just like all of you guys trying to catch that Scott deal to get all that Scott toilet paper for $1.19. And unfortunately, I wasn't able to get any. There's a lot of couponers in my area, so I'm sure they beat me to it. So I've decided to stop running around like a chicken with my head cut off and just do a deal that I know I have access to now. So I've decided to do a Cottonelle deal that they're having at CVS. Now, in this video, it's just going to be this one Cottonelle deal, but I will be bringing you guys another video with a couple of more deals from CVS. So guys, what the deal is with the Cottonelle, let me get the flyer here for you. And why I'm getting that flyer, if you are not a subscriber, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And then hit the bell next to it. That way you don't miss out on any deals when I post them, and you'll get a notification of the video. So here is the deal. It is spend $20 on select household products, and Scott's included, Cottonelle, Fabuloso, Game Pods, Tide Pods. Oh, excuse me, I'm on the wrong thing. No, Game Pods and Tide Pods are not included. It's the Scott, the Cottonelle, the Kleenex, Fabuloso, and the Palmolive, and then different Raid products, okay? So I'm going to do the Cottonelle deal, guys. The Cottonelle, it's 9 mega rolls. Here you can see 9 mega rolls. So it's 9 rolls equals 36 rolls. And this is regularly like $16 in the store. But this week it is on sale for 21. Excuse me, if you get 2 of them, it's on sale for 21. It's on sale for $10.49. So I grabbed 2 of them so that it would make the $20 threshold. So here's my receipt. So you can see it. So you can see I grabbed 2 of them, and they were a total of $21. And then I use these dollar coupons, and they don't expire until June 12th. Trying to get us some light. Okay, so you see the coupon doesn't expire to June 12th, so I used 2 of those. And then I used this Fetch rebate. So guys, if you are not a member of Fetch, go ahead and download the Fetch app. Here is my code, and what happens is every time you scan a receipt, you get points, and you can use those points to buy gift cards. So I use my points to buy gift cards to CVS, Walmart, and I use those gift cards to coupon. So then that way I'm not using any money out of my pocket to coupon. I'm just recycling my coupon money over and over and over again. And the first time that you scan a Fetch receipt, you're going to get an extra 2,000 points. And that's like equivalent to getting $2. And you can scan all kind of receipts, gas receipts, receipts from restaurants. And the minimum points you get is 25 points. And the rest, you get like bonus points. And we're going to actually get bonus points for this Cottonelle. So there's actually 2 rebates that we're going to scan for. The first one, you're going to get $1 for each one that you scan, and you can scan up to 2. So that's going to be $2 that we're going to get. And then the second one, you're going to get 75 cents for each one you can scan, and the most you can scan are 2 for that. So we're going to submit that. We're going to get a total of $3.50 from Fetch. Then we're going to submit to Ibotta. And if you haven't downloaded Ibotta, please do that. Here's my code for Ibotta. Go ahead and use my code. We can help each other save. And with Ibotta, you can also get gift cards with your points that you're getting, but you can also have the money downloaded into your PayPal account, your Venmo account, or your checking account. I have it downloaded to my PayPal account, and then I just use that PayPal money over and over and over again wherever I'm couponing. Plus, if you have a PayPal debit card, you get 5% back at the end of the month for all the money that you spend. So I really recycle money with PayPal. So with the Ibotta app, we can only submit for one time. So we're going to get 75 cents back from Ibotta. So our total is going to come out to be $20.90 for the toilet paper. But once we get back our money from Ibotta, our money back from Fetch, and the $5 in extra bucks, our final cost is going to be $9.68. So guys, that's like buying one and getting one for free. Actually, you're not even paying the full price, because the full price is $10.49, whereas you're only going to be paying $9.68. So go ahead, download Fetch, download Ibotta, run the CVS, get your 2 packs of Cottonelle, and you can use that $5 extra care buck over and over and over and over again. Again, that's like recycling money to help keep your out-of-pocket lower and to help increase your savings. So guys, that's my toilet paper deal for now. And until the next time, keep on saving.